Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today's 000webhost.com tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use the new site builder. I thought there have been a couple of things on the forum lately that you can obviously go into create an account and talk about. There'll be a couple of things people having trouble with the new site builder, so I thought I'd do a thing on it. So obviously here we have an account, which is my test account, which doesn't have anything on it currently. This is the one I use for most tutorials, so if I use it, go into the public. Oops, don't want to go and do that, sorry. There we are, there's a mistake. Don't go into that, or that. Go into the here, and if you just open up the default one, it's just going to give us the welcome. The website is up and running, of course, so we're going to jump out of that, and you don't need this for the thing, so we want to go over, we're going to go down to software and services. You want to go new site builder. Not so keen on the old one myself, not really so keen on the new one, but I thought I'd just do a tutorial on it, and it'll open up this website here, and gives you an option of all the templates. We can go all templates, and there are like 75 different templates, all with different themes, from web design to gaming to computers to tech world, and etc, etc, except some of them are sort of, I'm not so keen. Some of them are sort of things you just wouldn't use. So we're going to go for, let's just open up art here and use the creative design. You can preview it, and it opens up an image. Not so keen. It really needs to, if I was making this, I'd make it so it opened up a template page, so you could actually look at what it'd be like if you're using it. So you want to go next here, and it will give you the choices of the pages you want to, the items you want to display. So we're just going to leave them as it is. A ton of license. We're going to use license. We're going to go test. We're going to go test site for YouTube, I think. And we'll just whoops, copy that down there, make life easier. And then go next, go to site builder, and it'll load up web builder, as it is called. It'll do some things, load it up, and just see what it'll look like. Default out, we're going to go save and publish straight out. It'll do that. Well, obviously at this point it has to upload the files. So if we go and refresh the page with F5, it'll load up the pages. So if we now go back to our website here, it will go straight into the default theme. Obviously, got the links up here. I'm not so keen on that red myself. It doesn't show well. So blog, news feeds. You go onto these things. It doesn't actually have anything on it. It just has some text. So blog here, it will have some text. But once have some text. User, I'm not quite sure on that page because it obviously just has some text. So let's first show you how to create a new page. You want to go new item here, and you click on that a little bit here, and you have remove, move, add submenu, edit menu, rename. So let's do this for, let's have a look at YouTube. Obviously it'll load up a page, not YouTube itself, but let's go save that. And we go save and preview. It'll load up a preview page still on their server, so it hasn't reloaded your account. And you click here, and it will load up /YouTube, and it'll give you some default stuff here with a picture. So let's go and save that, and you can look at it on the actual your actual account. So you want to refresh the page here, and it should, yep, there we are, come along. I've had some bugs where it doesn't actually, when you go and refresh and come out, it doesn't actually sometimes load up the bugs, load up the page for some reason. Some bugs. Software's still sort of test stages, so it's a bit buggy. So we're going to close their preview, jump back to the site builder itself. Let's jump over to this page, and we'll do some basic edits and add in some different images. So the first thing you can do here, obviously you can edit this bit up here, something I forgot to say. You can edit an image, you can go order, bring to front, move backwards, send, reset to original size, which is obviously bigger, and this is where things, obviously it's quite easy to actually move your windows around, or frames around, but the problem is here, so the text is now overlaying it, so you can go order, bring to front, which already is set to. You can go order and paste it, edit text, edit size. You can, if it's too big, you knock the size down a bit, of course. See, what I want to do here is I won't want to have it near. It's now overlaying the image, which I don't want. Which is, how do I solve that? So I knock the size back up a bit. Let's go here. I want to get rid of that. So if I now go save and preview, it's not great. I've seen a lot of people complain that it isn't, and to be honest, that's now too small to read. So how do I make it colour? You can edit, obviously, size, colour. So obviously the easy thing to do here was to edit. How do I think? And then I can drag it around like that. So in theory, I should be able to resize this. There we are. That's how you do it. And now resize this to fit alongside the other one, which is quite nice. And we can drag this back out again, and now it fits like that. Obviously, you could incorporate that image inside the other one so it would fit better. Let's edit that, make that. Other things you can do, you can add in pictures by dragging things like that. You can get up, choose a file. Let's just choose will do. Once it changes the picture, and we'll go OK, and it will load the picture here. Of course, again, you can resize your image. Where's it gone? It's just going to move that out of the way a sec. Okay, resize your image so it was like on there. So if we now went to save and preview, and we load it up, hopefully, come on, and we'll have our image here, which obviously you can go open a new tab. If you did that with whichever browser you've got, hopefully Google Chrome and Firefox, you can obviously open the image up, or you could, I'm sure there must be some way of getting it to open it in frame sort of thing, which is what you need to do. If you want to do the other things, you can add like tables, galleries. So if we go on to, let's say, another page, going to use a go-to page, and we'll delete the default text and add in the gallery and see how they work. So we want to get the gallery and drag it onto here, select, and it'll ask us to upload some images. And let's upload. Where's that image gone? We'll upload. No, it's a bit big. We'll upload. Where's it gone? Let's upload that. It's YouTube background and that one. Now we'll go up here. And it's only uploaded another one, so we'll upload the other one again. Upload. Shouldn't take very long to find a small picture, but it is. Oh, come on. And we do that, so go hit done, and it'll add in our gallery. Again, we can go save and preview. It does take some time, and these will open in, or should open up in a frame. This is a YouTube background I'm working on. Hopefully, when I get a social media partnership at some point. So we can close that again, and that is better instead. If you could build, because they're so small, you could build it into bits of your area as a page where you wanted pictures. So that's quite nice. That's a nice feature. That's the only feature I like out of that. So we can go save and publish. So if we look at that on the actual site, we'll refresh the page. Hopefully that's finished. Yes. Refresh our page. Come on. It's somewhat slow, I have found, this, whichever server this is on. And then we have that picture, so we can jump over to, what did I put in, user. Again, we have our gallery. And it opens up the picture, and for example, to the other one. Looking at it here again. Other one which doesn't have back and forward arrows, which is not so good when it loads up. Loads up the picture. So you can close that from there. So other things you can do, you can add news, blog, forms is quite a nice feature. You can just drag a form on here, name, email, so you can do like a contact page. How did you find? You can add optional fields, which is the other one in there. Message, and you can also edit your target email, things like that, because you can edit these again later. Should be edit form. So there we are. So we're going to go save and publish that one. There are some nice things you can do with this, because it makes life a lot easier instead of coding it straight out with PHP. So where did you find this? Google. So that's quite nice. So it's easy to add in drop-down forms and stuff. Obviously, you want to add in a label saying where from. So let's say we wanted a person to have that next to their form. We could easily just drag and drop it, which is so good. I've used some site builders in the past which supposedly say they drag and drop, and they're just, to be honest, appalling. Made. Let's close that one, and see now the form is next to that, which makes it someone wants to say something about that image. Oh, actually, it does say email names. Where did you find us? So in theory, if we shove that further over, whoops, he says, wait, so we can do that and bring it all the way over here. Where did you find us? Obviously the ones. So we go save and publish again. It'll open up the form. It's quite nice. So there are a lot of nice features with this, and some flaws. Because it's drag and drop, I've never been so keen on default drag and drop things. Obviously, you can add text, images, and one thing you can nice is you can change properties like background transparent, upload a background image, repeat, do not repeat, or angle position, different areas of the page. So you just want it in the corner, you could have it and then set don't repeat, and it just be in that corner, and then have background colour as well, which is always nice. We're going to cancel on that one. And you can reset template, you can change your template default out, gives you a preview of the template, and you can put bug because it's only the start program. There are other things you can obviously do with the blog. If you go to the page, it will have your blog thing. So if I drag in blog, curiosity, on here, what's it going to do? Create new. The current page menu, you want to save these. You want to save these. Yes. Modifications. What's it going to do now? It has opened up a blog manager area. It's quite nice. So, new blog, rename name, add blog post. So it is a bit slow, which is not so good. So let's go. Hello. Spell it right, which will probably help. Test. Whoops! I thought I clicked down. Yeah, no, I thought you have to. How do I? Properties. No, that's the. Oh, drag element. You have to drag. That's a bit silly. You shouldn't have to drag your text element in. I think if you can already do a title, so let's add text there. And we go save and preview. That seems a bit silly. The fact you have to drag a text element in. Obviously, got default comments. It's quite nice. It's already got the features. That was on a blog, wasn't it? It's already. What? Where is it? See, that's what I mean. It's not. Where's it gone? That doesn't make sense. Save and publish. I see now that I've published it. If you come over here, blog. Where is it? So I mean, it doesn't quite make sense. I've added the blog onto that page, and it's got another blog link there. So where's the blog? That doesn't make sense. It's not there. So I mean, it's not great. I don't see where it's gone. But anyway, this is a couple of run-through of default things that you can do with the new site builder on 000webhost.com. If you've got any comments or theories or anything else you want to tell me about this, or you hate it or you love it, tell me in the comments below. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.